As a marketer, figuring out where to start with targeting can be challenging. AI suggested segments make identifying your most relevant audience easy, so you can skip the guesswork and focus on creating the right message. Suggested segments leverage AI to analyze your user activity, behavior, and industry, and recommends 3 segments most likely to drive engagement, conversions, or reactivation. This dynamic feature allows you to target your audience more effectively and with ease. With AI suggested segments, you can easily target new subscribers, nurture engaged ones, and re-engage those inactive contacts. Let's dive into ActiveCampaign to explore this feature. From your account, you'll head to Contacts and then Segments in the sub-navigation. This account is for Boone's Bandanas, an e-commerce business that sells dog products and also partners with animal shelters for community events. When Boone's set up their account, they went through the account setup process and selected e-commerce retail as their industry source. That onboarding data is now a key component of informing their suggested segments. Any suggested segments are clearly denoted with the AI icon. When you hover over the icon, you can see the conditions being applied for each suggested segment. Clicking into each segment gives you a clear view of the targeted audience, with the option to edit it to fit your specific needs. The first AI suggested segment in this account is Welcome New Customers, which targets new customers who are subscribed to one of Boone's lists but have yet to receive any emails. The segment's description includes the recommendation to use it to set up an automation to trigger a welcome series featuring top products, special offers, and the brand story, helping to drive initial sales and really build that customer loyalty. The second suggested segment, Win Back Customers, is aimed at contacts who have made one purchase in the last 30 days but have yet to purchase again. This description encourages using the segment in a re-engagement automation, targeting these contacts with special offers, a "we miss you" discount, or a reminder to drive repeat purchases. The description also notes that the segment requires setting up an e-commerce integration to sync products and orders. The final suggested segment is Nurture VIP Customers, targeting VIP customers who have made multiple orders or spent a significant amount with a recent order within the last 180 days. You can target this suggested segment to keep your best customers coming back by setting up an automation to offer exclusive content and special rewards, showing appreciation and nurturing loyalty. This segment also requires an e-commerce integration to sync products and orders. You can always adjust the AI suggested segments to better suit your business needs. For example, this segment may make more sense for Boone's Bandanas to target customers who have made 2 or more purchases or spent more than $50 in the last 90 days. And by pressing save, you can easily update the conditions for the segment. AI suggested segments represent a powerful advancement in audience targeting, analyzing data, and recommending segments that can significantly enhance engagement, conversions, and reactivation. By utilizing insights based on industry trends, user behavior, and specific use cases, ActiveCampaign's AI tool empowers businesses to connect with their audience in a meaningful way, ultimately driving better results and fostering stronger customer relationships.
Check out these related videos and subscribe if you want updates on our channel. Thanks for watching.